Hey, yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's Grandpa the Great. I'm back again. It's Super Bowl Sunday, so I figured I open up a Mosaic hanger and a red, white, and blue value pack from Prizm. So I'm going to do that today in honor of the Super Bowl. But other than that, I don't have too much to say. Let's see what we get in this Prizm Cello and this Mosaic hanger. So we got our pack and our bonus pack. As you guys may already know, this is the red, white, and blue variation of the Prizm. We will get 3 red, white, and blue Prizms in this pack. Let's set it off, man. Happy Super Bowl Sunday to all you out there. Let's land something good here, man. Got a Tyler Boyd, Tremaine Edmonds, Joe Thomas, Leighton Vander Esch, Noah Fant, Carson Wentz, Trey Boston, Shaquille Griffin. A little bit stuck together. We got Rob Gronkowski. We got a green, not a rookie, Tyler Lockett on the green. We got a brilliance of Debo and a rookie Darrell Taylor. We're gonna need this bonus pack to come through for us after what I just seen in that pack. Nice, Mecole Hardman will also be playing in the Super Bowl tonight. Ricky Jackson, nice card. We got a rookie. Might be Henry Ruggs. Lynn Bowden Jr. So that is an L if I ever seen one. Kind of wish it was a Ruggs. It is not. Cool looking cards though. All right, so that was a pretty awful pack for what I spent. Hopefully this Mosaic can give us something good here, man. I also overpaid for this as well. This was the last hanger they had at my local card shop. Seems that you overpay for everything nowadays, right? What's going on here? All right, here we go, Mosaic. Got Jimmy G to start. Looks like we got a silver in this pack. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Allstott, Taysom Hill, Jeff Saturday, Odell Beckham Jr., Chandler Jones, Von Miller, A.J. Dillon variation, I believe. That should be the variation. Silver rookie. Nice, KJ Hamler on the silver. So pretty sweet cards there, I do gotta say. Actually, stop and get him sleeved up. So we landed the AJ Dillon variation. I want to go back, check on that card as well. So, okay, so it has the Prizm marking. So I guess that means that's the variation. I don't know how else to tell really, but get that sleeved up as well. All right, we got the orange reactives coming up. Got a Big Ben, Jordan Hicks, former Eagle, Kenneth Murray on the variation from the Chargers. Sick looking cards. And wrong Charger, LaDainian Tomlinson. Got game, Saquon. Touchdown Masters, Todd Gurley Prizm. Rookie Denzel Mims. Henry Ruggs. Nice Chase Claypool base. MVP Lamar Jackson. And that does it for that. So, I mean, at least we did hit the Hamler Silver Hollow. Nice looking card there. Besides that, nothing really to write home about. Yeah, that's going to do it. Everybody take care, have a good one, and thanks for watching. See you later.